Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently reside here in the US of A. How are you guys doing? If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. So we are reacting to a brand new song by Ezra Neethings called Feelings. So I've reacted to Ezra Neethings, one of the biggest artists to come out of Botswana, right? So you guys from South Africa, Lesotho, Namibia, Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Eswatini, you guys know this guy. All right, let's get to it. Before we waste any time, let's get to it, okay? Did I tell you guys, if you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.
Oh, Dali, Dali, yeah. Dali, Dali, yeah. Oh, Dali, yeah. Dali, Dali. April, May, June, July.
Hey.
Ramayana, Tswana.
Yeah, it's so funny because it's summertime where I am. Oh, it's getting to be summertime. So this is a winter song. And there's a saying in Botswana, and I think this song, a lot of people are listening to it and thinking, oh my goodness, match to reality, like, you know, adulting, hide your kids. That's it.
All night long. Every day of my life, I be right here when you need me, when you want me, wanna kiss me, wanna hold me, wanna tell me all of these things that bother you when I'm not there by your side, baby. Oh, yeah, would you stay here, right here?
Yeah, this is a beautiful video, by the way. And it's a winter advertisement. I feel like, you know, whoever is selling those jackets, they should just come out and say, hey, actually, I dressed Ezra Neethings, so you can wear that jacket too. It looks warm, comfortable. Anyway, the carousel as well. Oh,
all night long. Every day of my life, I be right here when you need me, when you want me, wanna kiss me, wanna hold me, wanna tell me all of these things that bother you when I'm not there by your side, baby. Oh, yeah. April, May, June, July. Ramayana, Tswana. But love feel like I'm down, I'm down.
I'm trying to figure out where they shot this video. There's no stopping with this guy, man. There is no stopping. Every time it's a banger. Beautiful stuff, man. Psych Josie, the videographer. Big up to the videographer as well. Tremendous job. Beautiful stuff. It's really warms my heart to see beautiful music video coming from Botswana. Because I don't think we're doing so much in that space. You know what I mean? So big up to Ezra and Neethings. Definitely found the formula of like staying, I don't know, like managing to top his top song. And it's super rare to for an artist to do that. Once like your song goes viral, it's really hard to like come up with another banger. But if an artist is able to do that, you know that's a true artist right there. So big up to Ezra Neethings, man, and Psych Josie, videographer. Big up. What can I say? If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And this video is only this size on this channel, right? Like, if you want to see like the whole beautiful video, go check out Ezra Neethings' YouTube page, or is it on Psych Josie? Yeah, I think it's on Ezra Neethings' YouTube page, and enjoy. I'll see you guys on the other side.